Hello. So last time we have covered about the spleen, all things about spleen position, spleen anatomy, spleen relations, anything. Now we will cover some important points about gallbladder. Gallbladder. We will cover gallbladder. Then one important point also you can remember about spleen is accessory spleen. Accessory spleen means spleen, normal spleen से extra कोई spleen, other spleen, accessory spleen. It is found near hilum of spleen. Near hilum of spleen. Just important points. Short. Spleen, hilum of spleen means small droplet like small spleens also present near the hilum of spleen. Some cases. Just remember it. Now we start the gallbladder. So first, what is gallbladder? A muscular, fibromuscular, bag-like organ. Bag-like organ. Position, extension, found on inferior surface of liver. Inferior surface of liver. Then we can draw gallbladder like this. If let's say this is inferior surface of liver, so gallbladder, this is gallbladder. Gallbladder has some important parts. This is called fundus. This is called body. This is called neck. And then this is cystic duct. Duct of gallbladder. Cystic duct. So these are the parts of gallbladder. Then present and fundus is present near cystic notch. Remember, cystic notch present in liver inferior surface, inferior border. Cystic notch. Fundus found in cystic notch of liver. Then cystic notch of liver, fundus can be found. So this is the parts of the gallbladder. These are the parts. First talk about their nerve supply. Nerve supply of gallbladder is T7 to T12 sympathetic and parasympathetic from vagus, both vagus. This is nerve supply. Vagus. Then this is nerve supply of gallbladder. Now first take about their relation and their features. If we draw gallbladder bigger, then we know fundus body about this, but what about this? This is called Hartmann's pouch. Hartmann's pouch. What about this? It is clinically important because it is clinically common site for gallstone, स्टोन ऑफ गॉल ब्लैडर, गॉल स्टोन बोल सकते हैं, गॉल स्टोन. अब गॉल स्टोन, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ गॉल स्टोन, कोलेस्ट्रॉल स्टोन एंड calcified stone. Calcified stones. There are two types of gallbladder stones. ठीक है? Stones. Simple. They are cholesterol stone made up of cholesterol, excess cholesterol. If they calcified, they are called calcified stones. Difference is that they are radio opaque, means can be seen in radiograph. X-ray करके we can find the calcified stones. Radio opaque, but they are not. They cannot be found through radiograph. They are translucent, cannot be seen. Done. This is important thing. Now after this is duct of gallbladder. We can extend this. Let's say this is gallbladder duct. This is gallbladder duct. Gallbladder duct this is duct of gallbladder, which is called cystic duct. Inside duct they have some projections like this, some projection, rough area. So these are called valve of Hester's. Hester's valve. Valve of Hester's. They are just marking in bladder, gallbladder, which can also be take part in formation of cholesterol stones, calcified stones. But this is the most common site where stones present. In this is a dilated pouch, so in stones can also easily is stuck here. Stones can easily stuck here, means stone can be easily यहाँ पे फंस सकते हैं, जो बड़े-बड़े stones होंगे. These are also helpful in bile secretion वगैरह. Done. These are markings, gallbladder, valve of Hester, cystic duct. Done. Done. Now come to the blood supply of the gallbladder. So gallbladder is like this. Let's say this gallbladder. This is duct of this. Then it joined with liver duct. So we know a hepatic artery proper come. Hepatic artery, which is a branch of which common hepatic artery, which is branch of celiac trunk. Hepatic artery, this divide into right and left branch, right and left hepatic artery. Then right branch. This is right branch. The right branch gives artery which supply the gallbladder. Then this also gives artery to the cystic duct. And another, we know another branch, this is blood circulation, blood supply. Arterial, hepatic artery, right artery से supply मिलेगी, cystic duct. This is cystic duct. Cystic duct. Cystic duct and another branch for cystic artery. Another branch for cystic duct is from right hepatic artery, cystic artery. Done. Now we know there is superior mesenteric artery here below at L1 lower border. Superior mesenteric artery, which also supply the duct, cystic duct. Let's say this cystic duct. So these branches supply. Done. This is blood supply of the gallbladder, cystic artery, cystic duct, and venous supply. This arterial. This is arterial. And venous similar from portal veins. Portal vein also supply this. Portal vein branch. Portal vein branch. Venous drainage. Portal vein branches. Because portal vein go into the liver, so it also drain this. Portal vein branches. Then portal vein drain running. These are the blood supply of the gallbladder. Note this. Now after this we will cover the other relations. Now we will cover the relations of the gallbladder. So first we draw a diagram to find their relation. Then this is fundus part, and we know there is transverse colon also go here. This is anterior to transverse colon. Then this transverse colon. And one important thing is the body. Can also extend body part. Then the gallbladder relation is this is duodenum part. This is duodenum. Neck. This neck. Duodenum. And above there is liver, we know. Here is liver. This is duodenum. This first part of duodenum. Second part of duodenum. Third part. And here fourth part also. Done. These are relations of gallbladder. Now we can write. First we write about fundus. This fundus part. Fundus. Important point. First, fundus is at marking of transpyloric plane. Remember transpyloric plane, which is passes to the ninth subcostal margin and then go to the lower border of L1. Fundus at transpyloric plane. Transpyloric plane. First point, fundus. Then anterior relation and posterior relation. Anteriorly we have what things? We have anteriorly abdominal wall, basically liver, लिवर लोब आ सकते हैं, लिवर लोब्स एंड किडनी एंड एब्डोमिनल wall. Done. Now come to the posterior. Posteriorly fundus, we have transverse colon. We can see easily transverse colon posteriorly. So posterior is transverse colon. Transverse colon. And remember important thing is on posterior abdominal wall we have aorta, kidney also present. So we can take right kidney. Kidney also present near this. Renal arteries, posterior neck. Renal arteries, renal vessels we can also write. Renal vessel. Kidney also present. Kidney can also become. Kidney. कौन सी right? Obviously right side right. Then these are the relations of fundus. Then come to the body. Body we have upper surface and lower surface, lower or oblique lower body. So for body we have upper and lower. Upper, on upper surface we have liver, inferior border also liver आ जाएगा, liver and lower oblique we have relations for what? We have relation second part of duodenum. Second part of duodenum. Done. These are relations again. Second part of duodenum. After this, neck. Neck. Third part is neck. Neck. For neck we have right side and upper and lower neck. Neck also have upper lower. We can count upper lower. और medial lateral कह सकते हैं, medial slightly medial lateral. Done. For neck, upper side we have again liver. देखिए gallbladder mostly is covered by liver, so mostly gallbladder relations में liver also come. But lower side we have first part of duodenum. First part of duodenum. Done. Upper lower, these are the relations of gallbladder. Anterior, posterior. In posterior side, inside behind body, we know kidney also present. Kidney, right kidney also present here like this. Duodenum के posterior relations में, remember duodenum के posterior relations में renal vessels आती हैं. So near body relations we can write renal vessels posteriorly. Posterior में we can write renal vessels. Renal vessels, renal artery, renal vein, all things all come in posterior relations. Then ureter also come and abdominal posterior muscles also come into these relations. We can write psoas major, transverse and quadratus lumborum, all we can come in posterior relations. Then quadratus lumborum नहीं आएगी, psoas major वगैरह भी मुश्किल आएगी, वो नहीं आएगी. psoas major आ सकती है. psoas major also come in posterior relation, quadratus lumborum also, because these are abdominal organs and abdominal wall पे all things come in this relation. Something just marking, just think what are the things posterior to this, anterior to this, and just write. Done. So these are some relations: neck, body, fundus, all things we can write relations. Now come to the another thing is Kellogg's triangle. Kellogg's triangle. Then what is Kellogg's triangle? First important thing. What about the boundary and where is present? Let's say this is inferior border flavor. Done. And here is common hepatic duct present. Then this is common hepatic duct. Common hepatic duct है, आर्टरी नहीं है, duct से ड्रॉ करते हैं. This is common hepatic duct. Hepatic duct, common hepatic duct, and there is gallbladder. Here is gallbladder present. Gallbladder present here. Done. And this is gallbladder duct. This is common hepatic duct. And this is inferior border of liver. What this is? Inferior border of liver. This is cystic duct. And this is common hepatic duct. So this triangle form is called Kellogg's triangle. This triangle is called Kellogg's triangle. Boundary and the above superiorly is by inferior surface of liver, then laterally by cystic duct, medially by common hepatic duct. Then these are the boundaries. This is superiorly, this is laterally, and this is medially. This is medially, laterally, and superior. These are the boundaries of Kellogg's triangle. This is important. What are the contents? It's just a triangle formed near the gallbladder. First, we know the hepatic artery divided into right and left branch. Right branch is content of this. Left branch go above. First content is right branch. Another content is right hepatic branch give to gallbladder, which is called cystic duct. So one branch is cystic duct, also the content, and another content is lymph nodes. We can write lymph nodes green. Done. These are three contents of this. We can write what are the contents. Contents में first right hepatic duct artery. First, second is cystic artery, and lymph nodes, gallbladder lymph nodes also count, which is called lymph node of Lund. Cystic lymph node of Lund. Done. These are the three contents of the Kellogg's triangle. Done. It is a triangle formed near this. One is this. This is right. This is right branch. Right hepatic artery. This is cystic artery. Cystic artery. And another is a lymph node of fluid. Lymph node of fluid. Naam hai just. These are the three contents of the Kellogg's triangle. Done. Now come to the biliary system. This gallbladder part. Note this. Now come to the biliary system. Biliary system of liver. Biliary system. Bile forming, bile transport basically. We know this is liver. We just draw small liver. This is gallbladder. Done. First important thing, from liver, each lobe has two bile duct, right bile duct and left right hepatic duct and left hepatic duct. These are two bile duct, right hepatic duct and left hepatic duct combined form the hepatic bile duct, common hepatic bile duct. Then this is cystic duct, which combined with this, this is called common bile duct. Right there. This is left. This is left hepatic duct. This left. This is right hepatic duct. You have read in this class 12. And this is cystic duct. Then this is when left and right hepatic duct combine, these form the common hepatic duct. Common hepatic duct. Then this is cystic duct. After combining with this cystic duct, we form the common bile duct. This is called common bile duct. Common bile duct, which is equal to cystic duct plus which duct? Common hepatic duct. Hepatic duct. After this cystic duct go down, descends descend like this, and we know below there is a pancreas present like this. We will cover this next. Pancreas have two ducts for pancreatic secretion like this. One is called accessory duct. You can draw this bigger. This can draw. This is pancreas. It has two ducts. One and another is two. This is accessory duct. accessory pancreatic duct, accessory pancreatic duct, duct called duct of Santorini, duct of Santorini. Then this is main pancreatic duct, pancreatic duct called duct of Wilson, duct of Wilson. Then this bile duct descend and join with this, then like this, and this form, this is main pancreatic duct, this is common bile duct, and this duct is called, after this duct is called hepatopancreatic duct. Now this open into duodenum. How? First, there are some sphincters, just constrictors, which help to control the secretion movement, bile movement. There are some sphincters present. This point, 4 sphincters present. First sphincter is like this. This is first sphincter. This is second sphincter. This is third, and main is here. This. Like this. These are the 4 sphincters, and their name important. These are called superior and inferior. 2 है ना, superior and inferior. Superior choledochal sphincter, and this is inferior choledochal sphincter. Then these are called sphincters of Boydell. Sphincters of Boydell. Then this is pancreatic sphincter. Pancreatic sphincter. Done. And this is called hepatopancreatic sphincter or sphincter of Oddi. This is most common. You have read it. Hepatopancreatic sphincter or sphincter of Oddi. Then now this open into duodenum as this duct open into duodenum. Where duodenum open, there is a deviation called this deviation inside duodenum. This is inside duodenum. This deviation is called ampulla of Vater. Where this hepatopancreatic duct open. Let's say this is duodenum. And here is this duct open, hepatopancreatic duct. So this is called ampulla of Vater. Ampulla of Vater, where sphincter of Oddi also present. And where this open, this is in duodenum inside major papilla. In second part, we will cover next. Papilla. In second part of duodenum. Second part of duodenum. Then major papilla, second part of duodenum. This is biliary system of liver, bile. Then note this. After this, the role of gallbladder is what is role of gallbladder? It is concentration of bile. It, let's say bile coming in gallbladder, so it absorbs water from the bile and concentrate it. How? So for concentration, it absorbs water from bile and concentrate it. Basically, water concentration decreases, so their bile concentration increases. And it's concentrate it. Then, so what is the epithelium of the gallbladder? For absorption, we have which type of epithelium? Basically, columnar epithelium. So we have columnar epithelium, simple columnar epithelium present in gallbladder. Simple columnar epithelium. Then, and clinic, one important clinic is gastrectomy. We already know this is the more common clinical anatomy. Clinical is क्लिनिकल में गैस्ट्रेक्टमी, रिमूवल ऑफ गैस्ट्रेक्टमी, सिस्टेक्टमी. What is removal of gallbladder? Obviously, removal of gallbladder. In which case, during stones, when sometimes gallbladder stones also block the complete bile secretion. When bile again pushes the stone, it go and descend and come to this circulation, this biliary system, and completely block the fat bile secretion. So if bile secretion decreases, so there is a chance in liver problem, liver cirrhosis हो सकता है, many things also come. So it is more dangerous and fatal. So to remove this, for prevention we remove gallbladder, removal of gallbladder. Then cystectomy. This second clinical case. So note this part, these two things. Also. So here we end the lecture. Next time we will cover the another organ. Thank you.